Cyber Monday toy deals on Amazon. Number 1 Orboot Earth by PlayShifu, app-based, interactive R globe for kids $38.19. Number 2 Holy Stone HS110 the FPVRC drone with 1080p HD camera $65.69. Number 3 Plugo Stem Pack by PlayShifu, count, letters and link, 3-in-1, $99.99. Number 4 FIGROL Transform RC Car Robot $18.09. Number 5 DEERC 9300 Remote Control Car High Speed RC Cars for Kids Adults $67.99. Number 6 National Geographic Earth Science Kit $20.99. Number 7 National Geographic Glowing Marble Run $23.99. Number 8 National Geographic Mega Crystal Growing Lab $23.99. Number 9 National Geographic Break Open 10 Premium Geodes $24.99. Number 10 National Geographic Dual LED Student Microscope $69.99. Number 11 NERF Roblox Jailbreak, Armory, includes 2 hammer action blasters $10.99. Number 12 NERF Bullseye Digital Target $19.99. Number 13 NERF Roblox MM2, Shark Seeker Dart Blaster $19.99. Number 14 NERF Modulus Tri-Strike, Amazon exclusive, $33.99. Number 15 NERF N-Strike Modulus ECS-10 Blaster, Amazon exclusive, $49.99. Number 16 Little Tykes Go and Grow Lil Rollin' Giraffe, Amazon exclusive $22.59. Number 17 Bunch O Balloons, 350 Rapid Fill Water Balloons $23.79. Number 18 X-Shot Excel Regenerator Foam Dart Blaster $23.99. Number 19 Radio Flyer 4-in-1 Stolen Trike, Red Toddler Tricycle $79.99. Number 20 Swing and Slide PB 8360 Ranger Wooden Swing Set $218.39.